how to show a menu before Windows 11 starts, from where you can choose what to do next. This is an Asus ExpertBook B5602CBN. First I will power on the laptop and then I will press F12. So power on the laptop and press F12 a few times until you see on the screen "please wait." I'm continuously pressing from time to time the F12 key. Asus logo appeared. Please wait. Now you can release the button. And now a blue screen, not an error screen, but this one should appear, from where you can boot into Windows 11. By the way, you can use the arrow keys to navigate up and down, or the tab key. So Windows 11, down arrow, use a device. From here you could boot from a USB flash drive. The USB flash drive must be inserted before starting the laptop with the button. If you insert it at this blue menu, then it will not detect it. Now it was inserted, so if I go there and press enter, then Lexar is there. And Lexar is my USB flash drive, so it is detected. The touchpad for some reason is not working here, no mouse cursor is present, so I must use the tab key and go back to that arrow and press enter. So that was a use a device. We have troubleshoot. We can reset the PC. We have advanced options here. Here we have the command prompt, system restore. That's the UEFI, or with another word, the BIOS. We have more recovery options here. The arrow key does not go there, so once again you have to press the tab key. And then it went there. See more recovery options. And we have system image recovery here. See more recovery options, returns to the same place. Okay, to go up there, also use the tab key. Enter to go back. Tab again to go up there to the back button. And the last one is turn off your PC. So all this was accessed. Let's just turn it off. Turn off the PC. And it is off. So all this was accessed before entering Windows by using the F12 key on the keyboard.